arm wrestle over it. But in the meantime, I'll give you guys an interesting piece of trivia. Brian, he's challenged me to this ongoing tug of war, like foot-to-foot tug of war out here on the tug pad. So I don't know if I'm going to have to go ahead and commit to his challenge at some point. This has been going since like all year. I'm sorry, I got to have you back this way for this tug pad.
I got $1,000 on you.
Oh. Well, here's the caveat. I think you want me.
And there we go. Gonna clean off the windshield.
What's the light? What's the light?
Pull it up before you start touching. It look good anyway? Look good.
So Jessica, to pull up on the tug pad, was out of fuel. So we've given her 0.5 gallons of fuel so that way she can tug tonight. She just burned 3/4 of that out. She's out of fuel? Is this a pattern, Jessica? Doesn't we have this happen at DMR? So this doesn't happen again. Gas gauges for Christmas. What a good gift. Keep that in mind, everybody. In reverse.
Is that a key for something I own?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Hey.
Don't forget our tug of war, buddy. I gotta go ahead and settle this. I'm not ever gonna hear the end of it, apparently. So I guess we're gonna have to do this tug this evening. Don't forget about me. I'm gonna be looking for you. I'm gonna take my boots off and I'm gonna do this in my underwear. That way you can say I'm packing later or something.